At okay na ba kayo dyan, guys? Nagsasalita ba kayo o sumasayaw lang? O sige, palakpakan naman po natin sila kung kaya. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome a special dance number to be performed to us by our, I believe, kilala nyo po sila, our mascots. Okay? Palakpakan na malakas! Woo! Okay guys?